last class we had, I think, probably four trigonometrical classes which was conducted. Now this time I am going to solve the math. Before that, some portion it is not taught to you, that is, once the value of trigonometric angles are to be found out, then we must remember the magnitude of angle, that is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So 0 degree of sine, 30 degree of sine, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree of sine. Similarly for cos, similarly for tan, then sec, cosec, cot. So the value of these angles are to be marked up tremendously. Otherwise, while we are going to solve the math, if you are not recollecting the values, then math will not be solved. So if sine, I am writing sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. So this sine, cos, tan, what will be the value of sine, cos, tan? So sine 0 degree means how much? Cos sine 30 degree means how much? Sine 45, like that it will go on. Now if you don't want to mug up that point, continuously if you are doing the math, then also it can be remembered, but initially you must mugging up these values. Otherwise there is some bypassing method also, it is, it can be remembered like that, that if I am writing 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, it can be easily written 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if I am dividing all the values by 4, so 0 by 4 means it is 0, 1 by 4 means it is 1 by 4, 2 by 4 means it is half, 3 by 4, then 4 by 4 means it is 1, right? Now once I am root that one, each and every number, if it is rooted, then what will be the value? 0 root of 0 means it is 0. 0 root of 1 by 4 means it is half. If root of half means it is 1 by root 2, then it is root 3 by 2, and this is 1. So again, first I have written 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, once it is rooted, then root over of 0 means it is 0, root over of 1 means it is 1. Then again, if I am divided by each and every part, it is divided by 4. Then 0 by 4 it is 0, 1 by 4 it is 1 by 4, 2 by 4 means it is half, 3 by 4 means it is 3 by 4, and 4 by 4 means it is result is 1. Now if it is rooted, then root over of 0 means it is 0, then half, then 1 by root 2, then root 3 by 2 and 1. So this 0, it is value of sine 0 means it is 0. Then sine 30 it is half. Sine 30 means it is half. Sine 45 means it is 1 by root 2. Sine 60 means it is root 3 by 2. Then sine 90 means it is 1. Like that also it can, like this also it can be remembered. Again, starting end point will be starting for cos. So 1 to be written here. then root 3 by 2 to be written here, then 1 by root 2 it is in the same position, half to be going here and 0 to be going here. So value of cos 0 it is 1, value of cos 30 it is root 3 by 2, value of cos 45 it is 1 by root 2, value of cos 60 it is half, value of 90 it is cos 90 means it is 0. Again, what is the value of tan? Moment I am dividing sin theta by cos theta, I am getting tan. It is not taught in the last whatever classes it has been conducted, but sin theta by cos theta it is tan theta. It is clearly why. Sin theta means what? Sin theta means perpendicular by hypotenuse divided by cos means what? Base by hypotenuse, right? So perpendicular by hypotenuse multiplied, just it will be reversed, so hypotenuse by base. So hypotenuse it is 1, so perpendicular by base it is tan. So sin theta by cos theta it is tan. Remember this point while I am doing the math. So sin theta by cos theta it is tan theta. I can write directly. How it is coming, that's also it is elaborated. Sin theta means perpendicular by hypotenuse. Divided by means it is the sign of division. Then base by hypotenuse. So perpendicular by hypotenuse it is reversed because I have given multiplying sign. So it is coming as perpendicular by base. It is coming as tan theta. So sin theta by cos theta directly I can write as a tan theta. So here you look at sin 0 means sin in place of theta it is 0. So sin 0 means it is 0. Cos 0 means it is 1. So sin theta by cos theta giving the value of tan theta. So 0 by 1 it is 0. So tan 0 it is 0. Now tan 30 half divided by root 3 by 2. So half into 2 by root 3, right? 2 to 1. So 1 by root 3. So it is coming as a 1 by root 3. So tan 30 it is coming as 1 by root 3. Tan 45 means how much? 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2. So it will be 1 out. So coming as a 1. Again root 3 by 2 divided by half. So 2 it is gone. It is root 3. Again 1 by 0. For tan theta 1 by 0 means denominator to be used as a 0. So it is coming as a infinity. Right. So sin 0 means 0. Sin 30 means it is half. Sin 45 1 by root 2. Sin 60 root 3 by 2. Sin 90 1. Simultaneously or cos 0 means 1, cos 30, like that these values to be remembered. Otherwise you must follow this, but this rule should not, you should not practice this rule because it will take some time, because you have to write 0 1 2 3 4, then divide by 4, then you root it, then you are getting the value. So it is taking some time, but if you are remembering sin 30 it is half, sin 90 means it is 1, sin 0 means it is 0, cos 0 means it is 1, cos 90 means it is 0, tan 90 means it is infinity, like that. Again, sin 0 it is 0. So reverse of sine means 1 by sin 0 means it is cosec. So 1 by 0 means it is sine. If you are remembering, then cosec can be written directly. 1 by 0 means it is infinity. 1 by sine means it is cosec. So for 30 degree it will be 2. For cosec 45 means 1 by root 2. That means it is root 2. Just it is reverse of 1 by root 2. I am getting the value of cosec. Root 3 by 2. If I am reversing this, then 2 by root 3. Then 1 by infinity means this is 1 by 1. That means it is 1. So I am getting the value of cosec. Like that, sec means it is reverse of cos. Cot means it is reverse of tan. So what I want to say, that value of sine cos tan, if it is remembered, value of sine cos tan, if it is remembered, then the math can be done very, very easy. Very easy it can be done. Now, another chapter for height and distance math. One thing is to remember that how we are calling as once I am sitting at top, means this is one house and you are sitting at the top of the house. If you are sitting here, this is the horizontal line or the earth surface. If you are sitting here and here your friend is coming from here, then if your eye is in line with your friends, then if I am joining that line, this is called line of sight and this is called horizon. So this is horizon, this is surface line. So this is earth surface and horizon are in parallel position. If your eyeball and your friend's eyeball are contacted, then this is the line of sight. Agreed? Once this is line of sight are drawn, then the angle formation between your line of horizon and your contacted line with your friends, this angle to be called as an angle of depression. At the same way, once your friend is directly, the eye of your friend is directly contacted with your eyes, then with the horizontal line, this for the formation of this angle, it is called angle of elevation. Angle of elevation. Again I am repeating. This is your horizontal line, one tower or rather your house it is. Once you are on the top of the house or roof of the house or your top of the house, you are sitting, your friend is coming from here. If you are seeing your friend, if you want to see your friends, the line of sight, this line can be called as a line of sight, and this is your line of horizon. So a line of horizon and line of sight, whatever the angle it is coming or formation of angle, it can be called as angle of depression. And for your friend, this angle with this horizontal line or earth surface with the line of sight, this is called angle of elevation. Now this is two lines are parallel. If I am giving the name A, B and CD, so AB and CD are parallel line, and this AD can be called as a transverse. So AD, once it is called transverse, so this is alternate angle. So angle of depression and angle of elevation always there, alternate. Therefore you can say angle of depression always equal to angle of elevation. So it can be permanently stored in your brain. Otherwise you will have difficulties to solve the problem. So angle of depression and angle of elevation is always equal, and if math says the angle of elevation is 30 degrees, suppose some math it is saying that angle of elevation is 30 degrees. Once they are saying it is 30 degree angle of elevation, so angle of elevation 30 means angle of depression also is 30. So the point which I have the math is hiding, that they are saying angle of depression it is 30, that means you must understand that angle of elevation also it is 30 degree. Why? Because line of horizon and line of sight it is parallel line, and this can be called as a transverse. So both angle has to be equal. So this phenomenon to be brought in your mind while doing the math, right? Now, sine 0, sine 45, sine 60, sine 90, same way tan, cos, sec, cosec, cot, everything is taught. Then complementary angle also taught. That point also I want to write here that sine 9, earlier it is already taught in this class, sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sine theta. Then tan 90 minus theta equal to cot theta. Cot 90 minus theta equal to tan theta. Then cosec 90 minus theta equal to sec theta. Then sec 90 minus theta equal to cosec theta. So this part also it is taught. This is also in just already this has been taken, how sine 0, values of sine 0, sine 30, sine 45, same for cos, tan, then sec, cosec, cot. So this, all these things to be kept in your brain, then only you are going to solve all the maths. Now I am going to solve some secondary question from ICSE board math. I am going to do one by one, it will be done. One by one I will take 3-4 maths from here. Another formula also you can remember, 1 to sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square. So this is the 3 mother formula, sine square. So this and this. Now, just math you just try to understand how the maths are coming. Suppose prove the identity. What they have written? Prove that tan theta plus cot theta equal to sec theta into cosec. That means this is LHS portion. This is LHS portion. To be proved as a, you must go to RHS, or from RHS you come to LHS. How it can be proved? This is tan, this is cot. Change over, you have to change over this to sec theta to cosec theta. How? This is very easy. So tan and cot, if I am writing this LHS means tan theta plus cot theta. And here it is sec cosec. Sec means it is reverse of cos, cosec means it is reverse of sine. So tan and cot has to be first changed to sine cos. How? Tan means, just 5 minutes back it is written sine theta by cos theta. It is tan theta plus. Cot theta means cos theta by sine theta, right? Equal to 1. LCM would be cos theta into sine theta. So sine theta, it will be coming as a sine square theta plus cos theta it is coming as a cos square. So sin square theta plus cos square theta it is 1, formula says. So 1 by cos theta into sin theta. It can be written as 1 by cos theta into 1 by sin theta. So 1 by cos means it is sec theta into 1 by sin means it is cosec. This is RHS, sec and cosec, sec and cosec. Therefore, within bracket you just write proved. So tan theta plus cot theta to be proved as sec theta into cosec theta. So how it can, your approach should be that you just first see these ones, tan and cot. It should be changed over to sec and cosec. Sec means it is cos, reverse of sine. So this to be changed to the sine and cos. So tan theta means it is sine by cos theta means it is cos theta by sine theta. So it is as a, if you are adding this one, so LCM it is coming cos and sine. So it is that as in denominator it is cos theta and sine theta. And this is sin square theta plus cos square theta. So sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1 by this. So it is coming as sec theta and cosec theta. Another math I am going to take. Cos to the power 4a, prove that, again prove that. Cos to the power 4a minus sin to the power 4a equal to 2 cos square a minus 1. How it can be proved? How it can be proved? Cos to the power 4a minus sin to the power 4a equal to, you have to prove that as a RHS to cos square a minus 1. How? So from LHS if I am going, that means sin has to be eliminated. Of course its power is 4. So this can be written as cos square a whole square minus sin square a whole square. So it is a square minus b square. Is it? So a square minus b square means a plus b into a minus b. So cos square a plus sin square a plus b, a to be treated as cos square, b to be treated as sin square. So a square minus b square means a plus b into a minus b. So cos square plus sin square into cos square a minus sin square. Right. Now cos square a plus sin square a, formula says it is 1. So it is 1 into cos square a minus sin square. Now I have to prove 2 cos square a minus 1. So sin square again it should be eliminated. So in place of sin square, what should I write? Minus. Sin square means 1 minus cos square. Because sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta. So sin square theta can be written as a 1 minus. Before that also it is minus, so it can be treated as a plus. So sin square means 1 minus cos square. Minus to be changed as plus because before it is minus. So cos square means it is 2 cos square a. 2 cos square a minus 1. This is your RHS equal to RHS root. So this is another proof. I am rubbing this one. Same way they are given tan to the power 4a plus tan square a. It should be changed over to sec to the power 4a minus sec square a. Tan to the power 4a minus tan square equal to sec to the power 4a minus sec square. So tan to be changed over, all the tan to be changed over as a sec. How to tell? Again, LHS, left hand side. We are deriving left hand side and reaches to right hand side. How? From here, if I am taking common tan square, then it is 1 plus, here it is tan square a plus 1 equal to 1 plus tan square means what? 1 plus tan square means it is sec square. So tan square a within bracket 1 plus tan square means it is sec square a. Formula again equal. So sec it is already, I have seen this sec it is already, it is come, it is sec already it is reached. Now what about this tan square? It should be now eliminated. How? In place of tan square I can write 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. So tan square theta means sec square theta minus 1. So in place of tan square theta I can write sec square a minus 1 every into sec square a. So sec square a once they are multiplied with sec square a minus 1. So I can write here sec square and sec square is sec to the power 4a minus sec square. This is RHS. This is RHS. Root. So like this we have to derive that math. Formula is everywhere. Formulas are repeatedly it is coming. Formulas are repeatedly coming. Again I have to do another math. So far I have not touched height and distance math. Again, one math it is coming as a board examination, root over of. Prove that. Again prove. 1 minus sin A by 1 plus sin A within root to be proved as sec A minus tan A. How it can be? Again from LHS. It is root. Remember the point from the theory of SARS. What it is here? We got the idea once root over is given, then denominator must be abolished. How it can be? So this within this root over, if 1 plus sin A, if it is multiplied as numerator with numerator and denominator, what I am getting? 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A divided by 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A. Means 1 minus sin A, numerator and denominator both are multiplied by 1 minus sin